Hi, Malay here. Today we will learn an affiliate campaign programs in GoHighlevel. This is a super awesome features introduced in GoHighlevel. If you want to promote your product or services through affiliate programs, then you have to go to the affiliate program. For this, you have to go to your sub account, and under sub account, there are marketing tab. Under the marketing tab, you have to go to the affiliate manager, and there is campaign where you will get in this affiliate campaign. You have to set the campaign first. First of all, you have to choose the source. So which source you would like to choose? That there is funnel and websites, both source you can, uh, both of them are available. You can choose one of them. I will try to connect funnel, and we will connect the source details. After that, the link will be automatically generated. Then I can add my product there. I can remove also my product from these segments. And I will add then next. Then automatically the uh, default permission will come. I can change the default permissions as per my requirement. For this, I will uh, put my commissions here 50%. Then I will go to the tires. There are multiple tires I can um, use here. The 7 tires I'm looking. I will choose uh, 2 tires, then save. After saving, the next I will do. I can detail in campaign description also, but for now I will not give any details here. Then I have to choose the email template. If there is any other email, I can choose, but for this times I choose default template. After this, there is cookie live. Cookie live, I can choose it from 30 days to 365 days. Generally, it is 60 days. Often it is found, but we do it 365. After that, I will publish it automatically. My campaign, affiliate campaign, will be published, and my product is ready for promotion in affiliate marketing. So this is a wonderful feature in GoHighlevel. Thank you.